All right, everybody, let's talk about the second part of 3.5, parallel and perpendicular lines. This is page 8 in our notes. So some important things about parallel lines. The slopes are always equal. Parallel lines have the same slope. And they intersect, you probably know, never. Parallel lines never, ever intersect. I can draw an example of that. Let's say over here, I'm going to draw this line, and I'm going to draw this line right here. And I know that these are parallel lines because they both have a slope that is 2/1. All right. All right, for these examples, we're going to show that the lines are parallel. For this first one, I have y equals negative 2/3 x plus 1, and that is in slope-intercept form. And I also have 2x plus 3y equals 6, and that is in standard form. If I could rewrite this in slope-intercept form and show that the slope is negative 2/3, then I know that the lines are parallel. My first step is to subtract 2x from both sides, and I end up with 3y equals negative 2x plus 6. Next, I'm going to divide everything by 3. And when I do that, I have y equals negative 2 divided by 3. I can write as negative 2/3 x plus 2. So what I've shown is that both slopes are equal to negative 2/3. So they are parallel lines. I'm just going to put a check. All right, I'm going to have you try one next. All right, try this out. Y equals 1/2 x minus 3 and x minus 2y equals 4. Rewrite this in slope-intercept form and find the slope. All right, we should have done this, and we could see that y equals 1/2 x minus 2 when we rewrite it in slope-intercept form, which means they have equivalent slopes of 1/2, and they are parallel. All right, let's learn a little bit about perpendicular lines now. Perpendicular lines have slopes that are negative reciprocals of each other. And so some people write this as m, and this is like an upside down t. That means the perpendicular slope of a line with a slope m is equal to negative 1/m. They're negative reciprocals. So the negative reciprocal of 2/3 is negative 3/2. And they intersect at right angles, right? A 90-degree angle. So you can see this example of perpendicular lines. This line has a slope of 2/1, and this line has a slope of, let me use this one right here, of negative 1/2. So this one has m equals 1/2, and this one is m perpendicular, I'm going to call it, is negative 1/2. These are negative reciprocals, and I wrote this first one wrong. This should be 2/1 or 2, and 2 and negative 1/2 are negative reciprocals. All right, let's show that these are perpendicular lines, similar to the last example, but here I need to find the slope of this line that's written in standard form by rewriting in slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. So I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides, and I have y equals negative 2x plus 3. I'm going to rewrite this up here, and I'm going to say that my slope is equal to negative 2, and that is perpendicular to 1/2. So these are perpendicular lines. All right, that's all the time we have. Thanks for watching.